Yes, ChatGPT has been blocked in Italy. Welcome to Digital Toolcase. As you can listen, I'm quite sad because some hours ago, privacy authority in Italy decided to take down ChatGPT. And as you can see, this is the sad page I see if I try to access my ChatGPT. And I'm even a Plus member, so I'm a paid member, or at least I was, because I just cancelled my subscription. This is the news. You can also find it on BBC News. ChatGPT banned in Italy over privacy concerns. And I'm doing this video just to let you know, and just to let you know what can happen with this new technology when some authorities have some concerns about, in this case, privacy, data usage, and age control. These are the main concerns for this privacy authority. Anyway, ChatGPT is not accessible anymore here in Italy. Not a big deal, because anyway, you can use a VPN, for example. If I use Opera, I can access ChatGPT, but I can also use APIs. These are not blocked at the moment, and I hope they will never block them. And as you can see, I can access without any problem, even with Chrome, to my GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 APIs and playground. But anyway, it's not a big deal, because I can, for example, use my Chibi account. Chibi has GPT-4 integrated, or even GPT 3.5, so I can anyway use ChatGPT inside Chibi. So again, not a big deal, but it's really sad to see something like that, and I really hope this will not happen to you or your country. And if it will happen, yes, you can use a VPN, you can use APIs, or you can use another app that integrates ChatGPT APIs. That's all for this sad, short video. If you found it useful, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in the next one.